Good morning everyone! So, this is our last day here in Taipei. Actually, bukas pa kami uuwi pero morning. Gumising ako na maaga, ginising ko sila na maaga. So, we can make the best out of our last day and mapuntahan namin yung marami pang places dito sa paligid sa cementing area. And then, ngayon kami magta-Taipei 101. So we are already out. Magkakape lang muna kami right here. And the shop is called Oven Coffee. Hindi na ako nag-contact lens kasi ang pula ng mata ko kagabi dahil sa contact lens. I'm having brown sugar latte again. So meron kami nakitang karinderya during lunch na pinipilahan. Pumasok kami sa Escanita and ang daming hila-hilera ng mga kainan na pinipilahan. So namili na lang kami nung ituturo na lang yung food kaysa mahirapan kami pag-order. So come on, let's eat! So we found this supermarket na nasa basement. So mostly na mga shopping dito tsaka yung mga supermarket nasa basement. Para siyang isang malaking food court area na underground. Tapos ayan, may supermarket. Which is, ayan. So we're just buying pasalubongs. So this is everything that I got for you guys back home. Nothing for myself. Everything's pasalubong. So watch out for Taiwan Hall. We're back at our hotel. We had to go back here dahil sa mga pinamili namin. Ayan o. Tapos ayun pa. And ito pa. No, it's not usually na namimili ako ng mga pasalubong, pero this time may mga binili ako. I'm not a pasalubong kind of traveler kasi. So, medyo hassle and mahirap din mag-isip kung ano yung mga ipapasalubong. Kaya, bihira ako magpasalubong. Actually, never. So, we're just having coffee. That's my coffee. And kinakain ko na yung mga tinapay ko. And then, lalabas ulit kami. Pupunta kami Taipei 101. But unfortunately, hindi kami naka-reserve sa Starbucks. Sobrang nawala sa isip ko before we left kahapon. So, sayang. Pero we'll still try to go sa 35th floor kung nasan yung Starbucks. And then maybe magpa-reserve kami sa any restaurant na nandun sa 35th floor. So, ayun. Coffee lang muna ako and then we'll head out ulit. Mobile Legend is live.
Kung mapagdating ng Webes ang gabi, babiyahin na naman kami pabigan.
Very sauce.
Vegan.
Tapos Baguio.
I'm so happy, I can't lie, never lie, I'm so happy, I can't lie, never lie, I'm so happy.
Garden on the 35th floor pero nakapasok kami ng Starbucks and mas okay yung ambience actually dito sa Moon Garden and they serve coffee, they serve juice, mas mura din. I mean, mura din naman. Ang init-init pa sa Starbucks tapos ang ingay ng mga tao. So, mas okay dito. Oh, same view rin naman, 35th floor din. And hindi mo pa kailangan ng reservation ahead of time or one day before. Kahit mag-walk-in ka lang, pwede. But of course, you have to get your access card sa second floor. Skip nyo na ang pagpapareserve sa Starbucks kasi may minimum yun na $300. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga mag-Starbucks, skip nyo na lang yung pagpapareserve tapos umakyat kayo dito sa 35th floor by going or asking for access sa mga other restaurants. And then, you can go to other restaurants naman pag nasa 35th floor na kayo. So, parang bakit pa magpapareserve, diba? That's pointless. Pointless. Pointless.
I can't lie, never lie, I'm so happy, I can't lie, never lie, I'm so happy.
Goose noodles. Tapos merong squid, pork liver, seaweed and egg soup, and then braised pork on rice. My noodles looks yummy. It doesn't just look yummy. It's really yummy. Goose meat. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy. It's the exact tiger sugar we have in the Philippines. So delicious. Number one milk tea for me. Mm. And it's 5:20 a.m. and we are ready to leave. We are leaving Taiwan. So I hope to be back again because I love Taiwan. So we just made it sa Taipei main station na airport, MRT. Ay, ang ganda dito.
I'm so happy.
Nandito na kami sa airport at super early namin. So we decided to have breakfast and we went for Burger King na lang para safe. This breakfast meal that we don't have in the Philippines. Coffee, pancake, hash brown pala to. Akala ko kanina chicken nuggets. Hash brown. There's some sausage. Sinabing ito, croissant-croissantan, parang masarap pala yung siya. Andito pa rin kami sa Taoyuan Airport. 10:09 a.m. na hindi pa kami nagbo-board. Dapat nag-board na kami ng 9:30 a.m. dahil 10:10 a.m. yung flight. So, malamang mo ang may delay but hopefully hindi ganoon katagal. Kanina pa naka-ready doon yung mga attendants and parang may inaayos lang sila tapos may mga tinatawag silang mga passengers isa-isa. So, hindi ko alam kung anong problems ng mga passengers na yon. Nakatulog na ako lahat-lahat dyan sa chair na yan, yung mga black na chair na yan. Nakatulog na ako. Ang sarap ng tulog ko, promise. Hindi ako usually nakakatulog basta-basta pero pag-upo ko, nakatulog ako. What's up, Manila? We just got back here in Manila and for convenience, iniwan na lang namin yung kotse dito sa airport para madali. So that's 300 per day which is gonna be 1,200 since 4 days namin iniwan yung kotse dito. Ay, nakalimutan namin kung saan kami nagparking. Ay ko. Dito na lang to, no? So finally, nakita na namin ang kotse. And nakailang pabalik-balik kami ng floors. We are so tired and so hungry. So we're gonna go and grab some food.